Yo, adventure seekers! Today we're diving deep into the world of adventure motorcycles, specifically the all-new Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. But is it the ultimate adventure bike, or does it have some serious competition? Let's break it down. Body. The Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 has taken the adventure motorcycle world by storm. But how does it stack up against other popular options? Let's break it down. 1. Engine power and performance. Himalayan 450. This bike boasts a 450cc single-cylinder engine, delivering impressive power and torque. It's a significant upgrade over its predecessor and offers a thrilling ride, especially for off-road enthusiasts. Competition. Bikes like the KTM 390 Adventure and the BMW G310 GS offer a more refined engine character and sharper throttle response, making them ideal for spirited riding on both highways and winding roads. 2. Off-road capability. Himalayan 450, with its long travel suspension, high ground clearance, and rugged design, the Himalayan 450 is a capable off-roader. It can tackle challenging terrains with ease, making it a great choice for adventure riders. Competition. Bikes like the Suzuki V-Strom SX and the Yamaha Tenere 700 offer even more advanced off-road technology and suspension, making them even more capable in extreme conditions. These bikes are designed for serious off-road enthusiasts who want to explore remote areas. 3. Comfort and ergonomics. Himalayan 450. The Himalayan 450's comfortable seat and upright riding position make it suitable for long-distance touring. It's a comfortable bike for both short and long rides, ideal for those who want to explore new places. Competition. Bikes like the Honda CB 500X and the Kawasaki Versys 650 offer a more relaxed riding position and better wind protection, making them ideal for long-distance touring. These bikes are designed for comfort and convenience, making them a great choice for riders who want to cover long distances. 4. Technology and features. Himalayan 450. The Himalayan 450 comes with modern features like a digital instrument cluster, LED lighting, and a USB charging port. It's a well-equipped bike for its price. Competition. Bikes like the Triumph Tiger Sport 660 and the Ducati Desert X offer a more advanced level of technology, including traction control, ABS, riding modes, and even smartphone connectivity. These bikes are equipped with the latest technology, making them a great choice for riders who want the best of the best. 5. Pricing and value. Himalayan 450. The Himalayan 450 offers a competitive price point, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious riders. It offers great value for money, especially considering its off-road capabilities. Competition. Bikes like the KTM 390 Adventure and the BMW G310 GS, while more expensive, offer a premium experience with more advanced features and a higher level of refinement. These bikes are designed for riders who want the best of the best and are willing to pay a premium for it. Conclusion. The Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 is a fantastic adventure bike that offers a great blend of performance, comfort, and affordability. However, it's important to consider your specific needs and budget when choosing an adventure bike. If you're looking for a versatile bike that can handle both on-road and off-road riding, the Himalayan 450 is a great choice. But if you prioritize advanced technology, cutting-edge performance, or a more premium riding experience, you might want to explore other options. Call to action. What do you think? Is the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 the ultimate adventure bike? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle content.